Today I just want to discuss briefly sleep apnea and the effect it can have on you, especially with respect to a disability claim. There are multiple forms of sleep apnea, but generally what happens is in the middle of the night and the person suffering it doesn't even know, they're not properly getting air. They stop breathing, can last from 10 seconds, sometimes upwards of a minute. The only way to properly diagnose sleep apnea is through sleep studies. If you've undergone those, obviously you know you spend the night at a facility, they measure the amount of disturbances you have through the night. The interesting thing with people who have sleep apnea and don't necessarily know it is they don't realize what's going on while they're sleeping. They don't realize that they're having difficulty getting air. The next morning when they wake up, their breathing returns to normal. What commonly happens is they're feeling fatigued, they're feeling tired, they didn't get restful sleep the night before. Sleep apnea can obviously affect your ability to work. I'm sure if you're watching this or you know someone who has the condition, you don't sleep well, trying to work while tired doesn't usually go over too well. Sleep apnea can be disabling completely in and of itself, especially if your job requires quite a bit of cognitive functioning or even physical labor. A lot of times the insurance companies will also try to look to say, all right, you have sleep apnea, you're not getting restful sleep, but we don't see how it's correlating and falling over into your inability to work. In severe cases, even neuropsychological testing can be done to document cognitive decline as a result of the lack of sleep. Usually sleep apnea can be treated with Cpap machines, but this in and of itself isn't a guarantee that you're going to be able to continue sleeping well and not having any problems. So if you're suffering from sleep apnea, or you're sleeping next to the person who is, and they're having trouble with respect to going to work, being able to make it and work on time, or having difficulties with work, and you have a disability policy, by all means give us a call. Be more than happy to look over the policy for you, discuss what your options might be, and how we can help you out.